Okay, so today we will practice the second test of GTO series, that is group planning exercise. You all are having a paper with you. Write down your name and chest number on right hand side top corner. There in selection board, your GTO will ask you to write batch number and chest number on right hand side top corner. Okay, keep your pen down. You can see a map in front of you. This is a metal road which connects two prominent cities, Nevada to Araval. Nevada is 15 kilometers from the westernmost point of this road, and it goes to Araval 10 kilometers from the easternmost point of this road. This is a river, a railway line which connects Niazipur railway station to Araval. In between there is a small station at this crossing. A tea stall, palm grove. To the southern side of this map you can see three villages: Bakarpur village having a primary health center, Barai village and Adalpur village. It is a dam close to these three villages. Now I will tell you a story. You are a group of friends coming from Nevada and going to Araval to attend the marriage of your friend's sister, being solemnized at 8:30 p.m. On the way to Araval, the right headlight of your bus was not working, and therefore the driver stopped your bus at this tea stall. You people were waiting at the tea stall. Suddenly you saw a jeep coming from Araval direction, took a sharp turn on this double dotted kacha rasta towards the palm grove, and then you heard a loud noise. You rushed to the point to check, and what you saw, the jeep was overturned and the jeep driver was badly injured. You were trying to help him out when you saw a man came running to you and informs you that he was going to Nevada, just crossing this river. He was stopped by 4 people on gunpoint. They had forcefully taken car from him and went towards the railway bridge. He heard that they were in plan to conduct a blast at this railway bridge when Niazipur Araval Express will reach on the railway bridge around 6:45 p.m. By then, your bus driver informed you that at the tea stall, he had heard 2 persons with a small kid talking to someone asking for ransom by 6:30, otherwise they will kill the small kid. He wanted to stop them, but they skipped from the place. He overheard them that they will take the kid to the dam and will be waiting for ransom at this dam. When you people were planning what to do, you were approached by a shepherd expecting your help. He told you that 2 of his sheep escaped deep into this palm grove, and he had heard that people had seen a ferocious lion on the other side of palm grove last day. The time now is 6 p.m. and the scale you need to follow is 3 inches is equal to 1 kilometer. Right? The rightmost boy of your group will take this narrative, and keeping one with you, you will pass it ahead. Now I will be giving you 5 minutes of time to go through this narrative, and while you are going through the narrative, you people are not allowed to note down any kind of information given in this narrative as well as mark anything on this narrative. Okay, now any one of you can get up and collect all the narratives. Here on, I will be giving you a time of 10 minutes to analyze all the problems and write down your solutions. Stop writing. Any one of you can get up and collect all the sheets. Now I will be giving you 10 minutes of time to go for a group discussion and look for a common solution. Your time starts now.
So gentlemen, we have to first decide the priority, and I think the first priority should be to save the badly injured driver whose jeep is overturned.
We should go one by one.
Yes.
First priority should be the problem discussing.
Yes.
And our first priority would be the injured man.
Yes, gentlemen, I agree with you.
I agree with chest number 19. We should first see to the problem of the jeep driver who is injured and carry him to the hospital.
Yes, and the second priority, we should go for a bridge blast.
Our second priority would be the child who is on the dam. And our third priority would be.
I think our second priority will be the railway station. Yes. I think our second priority should be given to the mass loss which was happen at railway station.
The bus which is going from the Palm Groves to the Bagarpur village, the three people can accompany the person who is taking the injured person and can reach the dam nearer to the place.
I think we should go forward with second priority as mass destruction. Yes. I agree with gentlemen that second will be the mass destruction. And third priority should be the saving the kids. Yes. I think we had a resource like we had a bus and a jeep should be jeep.
I think jeep.
I think we had a jeep also as a resource.
So the solution is that when we are going to save the life of injured man, then of course they are going to subgroup and
I believe we should first discuss about our group discussion, our group separation.
Yes.
So I believe that 2 groups would be sufficient. Because
I think 3 groups will be sufficient. I think we should divide our group into 3 parts.
I agree with Chester.
the first group might be the first group and the second group considered only 4 men.
No.
I believe there should be
We can divide the group into 3 parts. First group will take him the injured person to the hospital.
Second group will consist of 5 people because and the second group will go towards the
Yes, I agree. We can divide our group into also 2 parts.
towards the
Yes, yes. I think there is two groups which is sufficient to solve the problem. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, yes. And also tell the people about the incident which was going to happen at them. I think group has been decided, so we have to proceed forward with the solution. It is around 30 kilometers.
Should be that they should be accompanying the injured person in the bus, and while they
also go to the dam. Yes, yes, yes.
Yes. This point is very valid. We can also take help of railway police.
Yes. I think
we inform the railway station and get requested to call the Niazipur.
I think one or two. I think two people.
We should also employ some of our people to keep an eye on the kidnapper.
Yes, of course, when we are going to
I think
that's a separate seat is a minor issue, so I think go to the hospital and admit that, and after that go to the resource below the hospital. Sometimes then we can go to police station and the police will come.
I think two members of group B should go forward to stop the train. Yes, yes. We had to complete our task in a given time.
Cats are killed by the robbers.
In approx 15 to 20 minutes, we had to reach there.
And the other group that was going to the railway station would with the help of police will go to the bridge and stop.
I think two people from this group should go 2 to 3 kilometers fast. But 45 minutes is sufficient. Yes, I agree. We have already discussed that group consists of 5 members. And then subgroup will go to the dam.
If someone has enough power to destroy a bridge, two people will not be able to stop them.
We can stop the train by doing the signals.
In a negative, we have seen that the bridge
after taking the train, we also decide on
I think, gentlemen, there is no manpower needed to stop the train.
We have to conclude
And rest of the members can go to the bridge to stop the mistake.
I believe that if they have the power to destroy the village,
we have
the narrative would say that the people took the car and go towards the bridge to that side. So I believe the people would go there and they were not able to reach that because they are the first. Because they are
We can also use any modified
we can help
But gentlemen, we have to stop the train.
I believe that there are people already present on the bridge, so the people who will go to the bridge, they go to the bridge.
Yes. That's what I am trying to say.
So I believe most of us believe that they can use a red flag. And
Yes.
take this route. So I believe they have
The minor problem we can take an out.
Okay, stop your discussion now. Any one of you can come forward and give me the solution on map. Okay, you can take this pointer.
Sir, we are at 6. We are here with 9 people, and we have a bus with us. So, sir, we have all decided to differentiate our group into 2 parts. The first part will consist of 4 people, and they will go with the help of bus. They will take the injured man and reach the Bhagapur place that is about 12 km from here. With the speed of approx 60 km per hour, we can say that it will take 15 to 20 minutes. So I would say that 15 minutes they will be here, and after admitting the patient, they can go with the help of villager. They can go towards the dam and stop the execution of the case. And our second group will go to the railway station. And after going to the railway station, they will inform the authorities about the bridge incident that is going on in 6:45. So after that, the distance here around 3 to 4 kilometers. I would say 3 kilometers. And after reaching there in 15 minutes and informing the authorities, some people will run towards the bridge and try to stop the train that is coming with the help of red flag. And after that, the authorities will come and stop the miscreants here. And after that, they will all come back to the tea stall, and with the help of bus, they will go towards the marriage procession.
By what time you will be reaching Araval then?
Sir, I believe, sir, in Araval, I believe, sir, it's 8:30. So that is the time of the marriage. We will be reaching there at the time.
Okay. Right. Go back to your place. Anyone who wants to make any kind of improvement?
No, sir.
Who is having some different opinion?
No, sir.
That's good. So suggestion from my side is, like, when you write your solution, write it completely, because there are few marks allotted for writing. There is one fellow who is conference out twice, so you can tell me, like, वहाँ पर जैसे होता है कि जिस तरीके से आपसे ये ले लिया वो अपनी फाइल में रख लेते हैं, तो हम आपके सामने कोई पढ़ता नहीं है। ज़्यादातर लोगों को लगता है कि ये पढ़ा नहीं जाता है, ठीक है, लेकिन ये पढ़ा जाता है। बाद में जब आपकी रेटिंग की जाती है, जीटीओ का जो असेसमेंट प्रोसेस है, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड रैंक रेटिंग प्रोसेस। रैंक रेटिंग प्रोसेस मीन्स इन ऑल द 9 टास्क ही विल बी मेकिंग अ रैंकिंग ऑफ इंडिविजुअल। इस काम में मुझे सबसे अच्छा कौन लगा, उसको कितना रेट करना चाहते हैं, दूसरे नंबर पे कौन था, तीसरे नंबर पे कौन था, सबसे आखिरी कौन था। ऐसे एक ग्रुप में सबको रैंकिंग किया गया है सबकी। लास्ट में इस रैंकिंग के आधार पर जो क्वालिटीज़ चाहिए उनके आधार पर आपको फिर रेट किया जाता है सिलेक्शन स्केल पर, कि ही वांट्स टू कीप यू इनटू 8, 9, 10 और ही वांट्स टू कीप यू इनटू द ग्रेड 7, ही वांट्स टू कीप यू इनटू द ग्रेड 6 और 5। ठीक, तो इसमें जब ग्रुप प्लानिंग एक्सरसाइज में आपकी रैंकिंग बनाई जाती है, तो इसमें दोनों चीज़ों का रोल होता है। एक आपकी जो इंडिविजुअल प्लानिंग जो आपने लिखा था, इसके 24 मार्क्स होते हैं, डिवाइडेड इनटू 6 पार्ट्स। दैट इज़, फर्स्ट इज़ ग्रास्पिंग, हाउ was your grasping regarding this problem. Second, the aim, what was your objective here, purpose क्या था. Third is preferences, priorities कैसे रखी हैं आपने. R for resources, what resources you have used here. Then T, time calculation, how was your calculation in this exercise regarding this speed and time. And finally S means the final solution. Have you reached on to the final solution or not? 4 marks for each part, and 6 such part will be making it 24 marks, right? Second part is group discussion. In group discussion, if you remain silent here, your chances are dropping. Then This is one important discussion, because before this you had gone through 2 different group discussions in first test. Now it is third discussion in second test. You are aware of this group, as well as for this problem the GTO would have been given you complete instructions about about this exercise. He would have read the story what he had created on this. You people had read it because the narrative was given to you. You had already written your solution over here. You are having complete information about this exercise. Important part is कि जो आप करना चाहते हो वही सब करना चाहते हैं. इसमें हम सबके ऑब्जेक्टिव एक ही होते हैं. अगर कोई ये कह रहा है कि वो जो जीप ड्राइवर है वो जीप पलट गई है, ही सीरियसली इंजर्ड, आप चाहते हो कि इसे बचा लिया जाए, तो आप 10 में से कोई ऐसा नहीं है, 9 में से कोई ऐसा नहीं होता है जो ये सोच रहा होगा कि ये ना बचाया जाए. ऐसा कोई सोच रहा था? कोई नहीं सोच रहा था. ठीक है, आप चाहते हो कि ये ब्रिज ब्लास्ट रोक लिया जाए, तो कोई ऐसा चाहता था कि ये ब्रिज ब्लास्ट हो जाए? यू वांटेड टू सेव दैट किडनैप बॉय. एनीवन ऑफ यू हु वांटेड हिम टू बी असैसिनेटेड? और एनीवन ऑफ यू हु वांटेड कि ही शुड बी किल्ड ओवर देयर? नहीं, ऐसा कोई नहीं चाह रहा था. सबके सब जो है एक ही ऑब्जेक्टिव के ऊपर बात करते हैं, लेकिन हम क्या है वेरी कर रहे होते हैं, दूसरे को गलत साबित करने में ज़्यादा इच्छा रखते हैं. अगर सबका पर्पस एक है तो सिर्फ एक ही चीज़ काम आ सकती है आपके, योर कंट्रीब्यूशन इन टर्म्स ऑफ कैलकुलेशंस. आप जो है जो काम आप करना चाहते हैं उसी में दूसरा कोई व्यक्ति अपनी कैलकुलेशंस डाल के कि इस काम को हम ऐसे कर सकते हैं. अगर ये बात होगी तो जल्दी हम निष्कर्ष पे पहुंचेंगे, और ये एक अच्छा साइन होता है ग्रुप डिस्कशन के अंदर. ठीक है, इट इज़ नॉट अबाउट कॉम्पिटिटिंग, इट इज़ ऑल अबाउट कॉन्ट्रीब्यूशन. राइट? विश यू वेरी गुड लक, स्टे फिट, स्टे हेल्दी.